Wait.
What happened?
Can you use something else other than the file?
The drill?
Yeah.
It's okay. I won't hurt you. I'll just take a little layer off the polish so we can start.
No, last time the last nails had hurt me too much. I don't want the drill.
But I'm not your last nail tech though.
It's okay. Can you soak it off? Can you do something else?
All right. You know what? I'm gonna get some acetone and put it
Wait,
in.
acetone?
Yeah. Well, we're gonna soak off these gels.
I have to soak my fingers in acetone?
Yeah. What's wrong with that? I mean, that's the only alternative to take off the gel.
I don't want my skin to be dry.
Are we gonna lace it with oil at the end of the service? So you'll be all right.
Can you just do something else natural, no chemicals, no drill?
Well, that's the only way I'm gonna take off the gel polish.
You figure it out. You're the expert. I want everything natural.
Get out of my chair. Just get out of my chair.